Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to change how the date and time looks on your windows. So if you want to change the date like 29 to be here and the month to be here and stuff like that. So first what you want to do is you want to go time and you want to go here. And then if you haven't done it already, you want to set time automatically and set time zone automatically. And it should set it up so you have the correct time. And after that, you want to go to date, time, and regional formatting. So I'm going to change this because it shows here Wednesday, April 29. I want to show 29 April. So it shows 29 here. So I just needed to change this format from recommended English United States to English Cyprus, and it will show the day first and then the month. So yeah, so you can do that, or you can change to your country if you have a country that does that as well. Except from Cyprus, you can do it as well. So yeah, please leave a like if you found this helpful because it took me some time to figure it out. And yeah, thanks for watching.